Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Kraken pool. First, you will need to understand the fundamental requirements for gaining access. Next, gather all the essential items and resources before you even begin your journey. Finally, we will go through a straightforward, step-by-step method that makes the entire process incredibly easy and efficient for everyone to follow along with. Before attempting to unlock the Kraken pool, thorough preparation is key. Begin by pinpointing the exact entry location on your world map, often found near the sunken grotto. Confirm your character has reached at least level 25 to ensure success. Additionally, you must acquire 3 ancient Kraken runes, which are crucial for activating the mechanisms ahead. These steps will save you much time. With preparations complete, it is time to execute the unlock. First, activate the ancient mechanism located on the eastern platform by placing 1 Kraken rune. Next, solve the brief environmental puzzle by aligning the 3 water jets in the correct sequence. Finally, approach the main Kraken pool altar in the center and interact with it using your remaining 2 runes to complete the unlocking ritual successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully unlocked the Kraken pool. Now, take your time to explore all the unique features and hidden depths within this mystical area. You will discover many rare resources, including 5 shimmering pearls and 3 ancient relics, along with various hidden treasures. Remember to revisit the pool regularly, as it often offers valuable daily or weekly rewards, making your efforts truly worthwhile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.